and overall this suspension is just amazing. Welcome back to the channel on this lovely, cold, very windy and stormy country called England in February. Today we are testing out and demoing the Sharkset Rear Suspension, and oh my god, it is worth every penny. If you are umming and ahhing about this suspension, don't and ah, just get it. If you've currently got the cheap suspension that's been on my scooter for the last year, yes, it served the purpose. It took away that very annoying, aggressive, shocking motion on my feet. If you've been riding these scooters for any length of time, you would know about that. But then I found that if I'd not been scooting for a while, and even with the suspension, I still had issues with my feet. My feet were still hurting. I've been out for at least an hour now on this scooter, going over bumps, potholes, downhills, off trails, and I have had no issues at all. There's no noise. There's a little bit of noise from the front suspension where I haven't used it for a while, but there's absolutely no noise. It is built like a tank. It is very, very good, and I highly recommend it. I know a lot of people don't have the money out there to fork out for this sort of thing. Save up. PayPal do all sorts of things now. Why would you not? Why would you not want to make your scooter better? I've loved this journey, and I continue to want to do more and enjoy this journey. And I thank you guys for coming along for the ride. Without further ado, here's the Sharkset Rear Suspension. what an awesome ride that was. And I love the fact that the LED is much brighter in the back there, so everybody can see. There was a downside to the other one. It did work, but yeah, it wasn't fantastic. Brake light still works, which is great. And overall, this suspension is just amazing. It actually feels like you are riding on a purpose-made suspension for this scooter. And I'm not just saying that, I truly believe that this is the next best thing for your 9-watt max. In terms of longevity and seeing how much wear it can succumb to, that'll be another story. I'm waiting for summer because I haven't had much chance to ride recently, but I'm very excited to be getting back out there and enjoy the weather when it permits. As you can see, I did go through some puddles. Managed to keep quite a bit of dirt off of me, and yeah, and the backs of my legs are dry. Maybe I should get the fender for that, just to keep the dirt off the back of here and here. But yeah, well done Sharkset, done really well on that one. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. I really like the suspension. The proof is in the pudding. You'd have to ride it yourself to really feel it. It looks stylish. Yes, there is a bit of faff when you have to build it, but come on, we all like to build stuff. It's what we do, and that's why we're modding our scooters. It really does feel great. As you can see, I've got a GoPro mount there, and it's opened up more spaces for mounting my GoPro, so I'll actually have a play around with that. If you do want to buy one, there is a link in the description, and you will also get a discount code as well. We'll see you in the next one.